Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 15. In this tutorial we will discuss about looping. So let's come to the Visual Studio text editor. You can see we have a message. For example, your customer or your clients want from you that this message should be printed in the website 100 number of times or 10 number of times. So you may write for him like this: greeting equal to welcome to programming world, which is very hard and time consuming. So in this case we use what? Looping. So looping is used to execute a code of block repeatedly. It will execute a code of block as per your expectation. So we have four types of looping. The first one is while loop. So let's come. So we want to print this message, for example, 5 times. So first of all we have to declare a variable. In here I will declare a variable. I will write here I, and I have to initialize the value of I to 1. Now I will write a condition for this value of I by using while. So I will write here while, and inside this parenthesis I will write my condition. In here I will write I if I is less than 5. So if you want to print this message 10 times, so here you write 10. If you want to print this message 20, here you can write 20. So if value of I is less than 5, so what will happen if the value of I is less than 5? So I'll say execute for me, echo for me what is greeting, and in here what? Plus plus. It means that if the value of I, if this value of I is right now you can see 1, so it is less than 5. So what it will do, it will execute this statement and it will come to the down. In here it will increment in the value of I. This plus plus means this means this plus plus means this means that this it means that increment. So increment means add one value in the I. So if it's increment in the value of I, the value of I become 2. Now again it will go in here, and in here it will come, it will check, and now the value of I is what? 2. Now again it will check the condition. If the condition is true, again it will execute this statement, and here it will increment in the value of I. Plus plus means add one value. Now the value of I is 3. Again it will come here and check the value of I. Now the value of I is 3, so again the value of I is less than, well, what? Less than 5. So again it will execute this statement. Here it will come and increment in the value of I. Then the value of I become 4. Now again the value of I here, what? It will check the value of I. The value of I is less than 5. So again the condition is true and it will execute this statement. Now it will come here and the value of I become what? 5. In here what? When it is come to here, and it will check that the value of I is 5. Now it will what? Terminate the loop. Now let's see. Index and while. Now you can see welcome to programming world, welcome to programming world, welcome to programming world. It's printed 5 times. Now we want each welcome to programming world in a one draw. So just write here dot or a comma, quotation, and inside this quotation write a br. Let's see now. You can see it is printed 4 times, so you just add here equal. Now you can see it's printed here 5 times. Why? Because we have given a condition here that if the value of I is less than 5, then execute this statement, and in here it will plus increment in the value of I. Again it will check. So this process will continue until unless the condition become false. If the condition is true, it will execute it repeatedly it will execute it like this until unless the condition become false. Then the loop will be terminated here. So for example, I can write here, if I don't want this message, I can write here my own message also. For example, hello world. Let's see. Hello world is printed here. Now if I want to print from 1 to 10, I can write it like this, that I will delete this one, and in here I will just print the I, the value of I, and here add 1 dot or 1 comma. Let's see now, it will print from 1 to 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you understand the concept of while loop. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. If you have not accessed this playlist, I suggest you to access this playlist and watch this video step by step. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next tutorial.